On the previous video, I'm already talked about the bearish divergence on the weekly time frame, and we already targeting the 100k support for a Bitcoin. After that, we get the 6% dump to this support, and right now Bitcoin ping-ponging between this support and the top resistance around 106k. What's up everyone, Puryanik here and welcome back to Crypto Zone. If you are new to the channel or you're watching this video for the first time and you are into the cryptocurrency, thank you very much for subscribing and Crypto Zone becoming partner with the Bitunix Exchange. Bitunix is a non-KYC exchange and Crypto Zone have a nice campaign with the Bitunix. If you still didn't watching this video, is the time my friend, because on this month, on June, we give away 400 USDT to 12 lucky winner in 2 rounds. So still you can try in your luck. Don't forget to watching this video and mention hashtag CryptoZone. I'm on the campaign and I hope you are the one of the lucky winner on this month. So today on this video, I want to talk about the Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana for a bullish and a bearish scenario. So let's jump to the chart and see what's going on the market. Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, we already talked about this support and we can see exactly Bitcoin and coming and retesting this support around 100k, and we can see exactly touching the 9 moving average. After that we get a nice bounce back, and right now bulls trying to break above the 106k. As soon as the bulls holding above the 100k, I'm more bullish than a bearish. On the previous video also I'm already mentioned, if we can come back and retest to this support and hold this support, definitely we can continue, and it's still possible for a Bitcoin to break above the 106k and come and retest the 109k, 110k, or maybe we can retest in the 120,000 for a Bitcoin as soon as the Bitcoin hold above the 100k. And on the weekly time frame, we don't see any candle closing below this support. And if we see the Bitcoin breaking below the 100k, yes, we can come and retest in the 94k. You can see the midband of the BB also on the weekly time frame standing around this support. If Bitcoin breaking below the 94k, definitely can come and retest the 89k and 85k. And on the weekly time frame, we can see the 50 moving average also standing exactly around 85k. But right now, as soon as the Bitcoin hold above the 100k, can come and retest the 109k, 110k, or maybe higher price for a Bitcoin. You can see the top band of the BB also is standing around 113k. MACD on the weekly time frame, we don't see any cross, but we can see the losing momentum on the histogram on the weekly time frame, but still we don't see any cross, and still price higher than a baseline. At the same time, on the DMI, we can see the D plus and ADX is very close to each other and still hold above the 23%. So as soon as the Bitcoin hold above the 100k, I'm more bullish than a bearish. And if we breaking below the 100k, definitely we can come and retest the $94,500 again. Bitcoin on the daily time frame come and retest the 100k support, and we can see the 50 moving average and low band of the BB exactly around this area. And right now, mid band of the BB exactly is standing around 106,500. That's why the key for a bulls is 106k, 106,500, and if we see the bulls break above, definitely we can come and retest the top band of the BB around 111,000, and we can see the Bitcoin is still ping-ponging between this support and this resistance. If we see the Bitcoin break above the 111k, yes, definitely this rally can continue, and if we breaking below the 101k, definitely we can see the Bitcoin back again and retesting 94,000, 95,000 again. Ethereum on the daily time frame is still ping-ponging between the support around 2,300 and the top resistance around 2,750, and still on this range. And right now we can see bulls trying to take over the 2,500. If we see the bulls take over the 2,500, especially 2,550, we targeting the $2,700, $2,750 again for Ethereum. And if we see the daily candle closing below the 2,500, yes, possible to come and retest this support again. And if we see the Ethereum breaking this support sharply, we can come back and retest the $2,100, $2,200 and $2,000 support. But right now, as soon as the Ethereum holding the 2,350, it still can ping pong between this support and this resistance. And if we see the Ethereum break above the 2,800 on top of the 29th of May, yes, definitely we can see the Ethereum retesting this green box between the $2,880 and $3,000. I'm still holding my trade for a Bitcoin and Ethereum and Solana. I'm still trading on Bybit and Bitunix Exchange. If you still doesn't have a Bybit account, you can use in the CryptoZone link and you can claim up to 30,000 USDT from your deposit. And if you have a problem with the verification or you're looking for a different exchange, Bitunix is a non-KYC exchange and we have a special campaign with Bitunix Exchange. Link in description and pin on the comment. Solana on the daily time frame, I'm already mentioned on the previous video, as soon as the Solana below the 168 definitely can come and retest the lower support. And right now we can see Solana still hold above the 146. Now bulls trying to retest the 158 and maybe can possible to see the Solana again retesting the 160, 162 again. On the bullish scenario, if we see the Solana break above 168 and hold above it, yes, definitely we can come and retest again the 184. And as soon as the Solana holding this support, it still can ping pong between this support and this resistance. But on bearish scenario, if we see the Solana breaking below the 146, yes, definitely we can come back again to 142, 140, or maybe even back to $130, $132 again. But right now, still Solana hold it, and I'm not going to be surprising to see the Solana come and retesting the 158 or even maybe retesting this green box between the 164 and $168. So this is all about today, my friend. Hope this video is helping you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to join the CryptoZone campaign. And I hope you are the one of the winner on CryptoZone campaign. All the best for you and see you on the next video.